In this video, we will talk about how to fix search bar not working on Windows 11. Method 1. Restart Windows Search Service. Press and hold Windows icon key on your keyboard, then press R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, locate Windows Search. Right-click on it and select Restart. Again, right-click on Windows Search. Select Properties. Here you have to ensure the startup type is set to automatic. Method 2. Run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Right-click on Start icon. Select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Searching Windows. Scroll down and select Indexer Troubleshooter. Select Can't start a search or see results, and click Next. Make sure to select Troubleshooting as an administrator. Afterwards, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Rebuild the search index. Right-click on Start icon. Select Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Searching Windows. Scroll down and select Advanced Indexing Options. Now click on Advanced. Under the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild. Click OK to confirm. Here you can see rebuild process is started, and it may take some time. So that's how you can fix search bar not working on Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.